What's up guys, Rand here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the Brando 3D Curved Tempered Glass Screen Protector Black Edition. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone 10 and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So not long ago I reviewed the transparent model, but as you guys saw, the transparent model may not be the best choice in terms of the looks. This one here is their black edition, which is basically the same thing except without transparent borders. You have a black border to match with the rest of the screen. So we get our dust removal stickers, a microfiber cloth, and last but not least is the screen protector itself. So you can see here we do have edge protection, hence the 3D curved name, and blacked out painted borders here to match with the rest of the phone. Alright, so here's what the screen protector looks like on the iPhone 10. Now I will say I did have to wait a week before shooting this part of the video just because I had two bubbles on the top corners here that would not go away, but after time they do slowly eventually shrink and then disappear. So for those of you who install this and get some bubbles that you can't squeeze out, don't worry, they do eventually disappear, just have some patience. In comparison to the transparent model I reviewed a couple weeks ago, I do have to say the black one here is definitely a lot nicer. It blends in significantly better, and because the iPhone screen is originally black, it looks just the same. Here's a closer look at the top of the screen protector here. You can see how the painted black borders look so much nicer than the transparent one, and of course they blend in a little bit better with the OLED screen of the phone. The only cutouts on the screen protector here is for the earpiece. There's also an unpainted part just above the earpiece there for the light sensors. Now because it is glass, there's no need for a cutout for the FaceTime camera, and so far I haven't had any issues with the Face ID function. Overall guys, my first impressions on the Brando 3D Curved Tempered Glass Screen Protector Black Edition for the iPhone 10 is very positive. It was one of my favorite brands for tempered glass screen protectors for the iPhone 7 and iPhone 8, and definitely for the iPhone 10 as well. There's only 3 different brands so far that I like, particularly because they have one of the best oleophobic coatings, and Brando is definitely one of them. You can have a company design a really good screen protector, but if it doesn't have a good oleophobic coating on it, it makes it difficult to use just because the screen's so sticky and catches a whole bunch of fingerprints and makes it harder to clean. The Brando one here has a very slick coating on it. It also resists fingerprints very well, and of course very easy to clean. I also threw on the Apple leather folio case here just to demonstrate to you guys that a lot of case companies, including Apple, are designing their cases to be much more compatible with edge-to-edge style screen protectors. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about the screen protector, the only thing I could say is, as you guys saw with the transparent edition that doesn't have black colored borders, is that dust and stuff does eventually accumulate around the edges, which is something you can't really get away with, at least not yet. Now the upside with the black model here is that you can't really see that, so therefore you don't really have to worry about it in terms of the aesthetics. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a tempered glass screen protector with edge protection, you definitely can't go wrong with the Brando 3D Curved Tempered Glass Screen Protector. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or comments about the screen protector, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.